Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to practice in QuickBooks Online without risking your real business data, today's video is perfect for you. I'm going to show you how to create and access a practice company in QuickBooks Online. This is one of the easiest ways to learn, experiment, and sharpen your QuickBooks skills. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open an incognito or private browsing window. You can also use a completely different browser. This step is important because it keeps you from accidentally signing into your actual QuickBooks account. Next, head over to your preferred search engine and type in either QuickBooks Online Sample Company or Test Drive QuickBooks Online. Both of these search terms will bring up the official Intuit Test Drive page. Once you see the result that says Test Drive QuickBooks Online, go ahead and click it. This will take you straight into a demo company called Craig's Design and Landscaping Services. Now, here's the cool part. This sample company is already preloaded with realistic business data. You'll see customers, vendors, products, transactions, and even reports ready to explore. This makes it the perfect environment to practice things like creating invoices, recording expenses, running financial reports, or even customizing settings, all without worrying about messing up your actual books. Every time you log into the sample company, you get a fresh copy of that same demo data. So if you make mistakes or just want to try something different, you can simply close out and reopen it to start again. It's like having a reset button for learning. Using this test drive feature is an excellent way to get comfortable with QuickBooks Online if you're new, or to try out advanced features if you're already experienced. It's completely free, and since nothing saves permanently, you can practice as much as you want with zero risk. And that's it. You now know how to access a QuickBooks Online practice company in just a couple of minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy QuickBooks tips, and let me know in the comments what feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.